Hello friends, this is Proximal enamel reduction kit used in orthodontic cases to create space for improving tooth alignment. It also helps to improve the bite. So it is specially to provide extra intra-arch space in patient with mild to moderate crowding. So this is from NMD Nexus Medodent. Let me just unbox this first. Okay. So basically I just tell you the contraindication also that patients who are susceptible to caries, you should not use this, even avoided in young children with large pulp chamber. So let's start with this. Okay, so it comes along with the manual, and see that it has one handle, these are the interproximal gauge with interproximal strips. This interproximal gauge is comes with between 0.10 till it goes 0.550. So you can see it has 10, 15, 20, then 25, 30, and then comes 40 and 50. And these are the interproximal strips. So it is started from 15, then comes your 25, then comes your 40, then comes your 60, and then comes your 90. I'm just using this one strip. This is 90 HD. I'll show you how to place this and how to use in patient's mouth. Basically to create space, and you should not use more than 50% of enamel. You can use it like this also, and even you can use the strips. Simply like this. Check this. I'm using this gauge. Let me just check this out again. You can see the space out here. This is the space you can see. Thank you friends for watching our video.